Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum grade 4. Welcome to online science class. Hope you are all fine and well. Today we will start our week 4 and the day 1. As you know that we were studying our chapter number 2, growing and moving. The topic which we are going to cover today is on page number 25 and 26. The topic is basically about the bones in the arms, hands and our legs. We will study the names and the position, how they are located in our arms and leg. Now move on to the lecture. Open your book, page number 25. First we will study the bones in our arms and hands. Number first bone in our arm at the upper portion is called the humerus. What? Humerus. And the second bone in our arm on the left side is called ulna. And at the thumb side, the thumb is connected with a bone called the radius. Okay? The first bone of the arm is called humerus. Ulna on the left side and radius joins with the thumb. You can memorize it with RT. Radius and T, thumb. RT. On the thumb side, the bone which connect the wrist bone to the thumb is called radius. Humerus, ulna, radius. The next, one humerus, one ulna and one radius. Then come to the wrist. The wrist of our hand consists of 8 bones and these bones are called carpals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put your right hand on the left wrist. You can feel there are many bones in the wrist and all these bones are called the carpals. The next, these bones are called the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 bones in our palm are called the metacarpal and the finger bones are all together called the phalanges. Okay, phalanges are 14 in number. The thumb consists of 2 phalanges while the remaining finger consists of 3 phalanges. Why? Because our thumb is very small and it consists of only 2 bones. Okay, this is very important key point in this lecture, that thumb consists of only 2 bones while the other bones in our hand consist of in the finger consist of 3 bones. Okay, humerus, ulna, radius, carpals, metacarpal and phalanges. Okay, humerus, ulna, on the thumb side radius, wrist bone, carpals, palm bones, metacarpal and finger bones, phalanges. Okay, you have to memorize these bones names. Now come on to our leg. The strongest bone in our body is called the femur. Femur is the thigh bone. Feel the thigh bone with your hand. It is a very long and strong bone because it holds the pressure of the whole body. The thigh bone is called the femur, and on the kneecap a small bone is present called the patella, and underneath the patella a bone which joins together the femur with the lower extremities is called tibia. The bone in our lower arm is called fibula. Tarsal is the femur, patella, kneecap, tibia, fibula, tarsal, metatarsals and phalanges. Okay, this is the thumb. Thumb consists of 2 bones and phalanges are the bones of the fingers, of the foot. Tarsal are the bones on the heel. Okay, femur, patella, tibia, fibula, tarsal, metatarsal and phalanges. Okay.